Hello, my name is Luelya, and my project this summer was about improving my cooking and baking skills. With the money that I got from Eco Scholars, I used it to buy some new appliances to enhance the quality of my food. Today, I will be sharing a presentation on some of the foods I made. The first things we will make are some chocolate chip cookies. Here's what you need: 2 sticks of unsalted butter, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You will mix all of that together and then go on to your dry ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and then 1 to 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chip. You will bake this for 13 to 15 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they should look something like that. The next thing we will make is some grilled chicken. You will need some chicken, and you need to blend 4 garlic cloves, a green pepper, a handful of coriander, lemon, and olive oil together. You will need 5 spices: black pepper, red chili flakes, thyme, ground cumin, oregano, and some salt. You will mix all of the spices with the chicken and add the green coriander paste on top. You will then marinate the chicken for about an hour and then grill it. After it's done, you can make some side dish. I made some veggies and rice and eat it. For the chocolate cake, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of unsweet cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. For the coffee mix, you will need 2 cups of warm water with 2.5 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of light olive oil, and you will mix it together. To make the frosting, you need 12 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup unsalted butter, 5 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You will mix all of that together and it should look something like that.